How to lower CPU usage in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computers. So first you will need to right click on the taskbar, open the task manager, and from here go to the startup category, and in this list you should disable as many apps as possible. These apps basically run whenever you start Windows, and most of these apps will probably not need to run when the computer start up. So for example, the Epic Games Launcher, Google Chrome, Internet Download Manager, and other stuff that is not really needed, except applications such as the G-Hub and your audio driver and stuff like that, which is required. Everything else should be probably disabled. This will basically improve the startup time and make Windows run faster and use less CPU. And you can always run any of these apps whenever you need them later. Next, you can close this window, right click on the start button, and then open up the device manager. And from here, expand the system devices category and look for high precision timer, which you should find in this list, which is this one right here. Double click on it and then click on disable device. Go to the driver section and click on disable device and then click on yes. Click on OK. Next, you can close out of this and then open up the start menu and search for power and sleep settings, which is this one. Click on it and then click on additional power settings, and from here make sure you're not on power saver mode. So you can either set it to high performance to get the best performance and your computer might use more energy, or you can use the balanced mode, which balances the performance and consumption of energy. And once you've selected your power plan, you can close out of this. Next, you can clean your temporary files by opening this PC and right clicking on your main drive. So for example, my C drive, local disk C. Open up the properties and then click on disk cleanup, and from here wait for it to detect all the files, and make sure to select all the temporary files including the recycle bin and the downloads and everything else that you need to clear, and click on clean up system files as well to be able to select old Windows update files and stuff like that, which is no longer needed. As you can see right here, this will free up about 11 gigs of space. Then click on OK and click on delete files to start the deleting process of these temporary files and recycle bin as well. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.